Chapter 9. Now let's practice reflexive verb usage. I gave you 10 sentences and together we are going to see if you remember what you need to do. The first one is he shaves. And you remember sich rasieren is a reflexive verb. So how do we say that? Rasiert. And the reflexive pronoun would be sich. He shaves himself. I put a jacket on. Now here we have me and we have a jacket. So the jacket is the direct object. Okay, so what happens when we have a subject and a direct object? Remember, the reflexive pronoun has to be in the dative case. All right, let's see what that looks like. Ich ziehe mir. Yeah, ich ziehe mir, because now we are expanding and explaining with the direct object what we are doing. Ich ziehe mir die Jacke an. All right. Anziehen, if you remember, is a separable prefix. He washes his hair. Now you know the verb sich waschen, but now we add, what do we wash? We add a direct object again. Wäscht. And the reflexive pronoun for is always sich. So it doesn't matter whether we know whether it's accusative or dative. So wäscht sich die Haare. Okay. You put on makeup. To put on makeup is sich schminken. So, du schminkst dich. We don't add any other information. We are not saying where we put the makeup. We don't say we put it on our face or anything like that. We just say you put on makeup. So it's du schminkst dich. The students meet each other. Remember the each other phrase? It's sich, correct. Die Studenten treffen sich. This one is easy. Yeah, sie treffen sich. I buy a new car. Okay. Since, remember, reflexive pronouns, if you do something for yourself or to yourself, then you have to use a reflexive pronoun. So we have a subject, we have a direct object. So the reflexive pronoun would be in the dative case. That's right. So a German would say, ich kaufe mir ein neues Auto. Okay. You get dressed. To get dressed is sich anziehen. Again, it's just a basic phrase. We are not specifying what we are putting on. We are just saying that we are getting dressed. Du ziehst dich an. He apologized. You remember, to apologize in German is reflexive. It's sich entschuldigen. And I use the past tense. So you would say, hat sich entschuldigt. So hat plus past participle of entschuldigen is entschuldigt. And the phrase, since apologize is reflexive, so the sich, hat sich entschuldigt. She is late. Okay, to be late, again, in German is reflexive, sich verspäten. Sie verspätet sich. I get up at 6 o'clock. Now, is that reflexive? What do you think? Not really. You're not doing anything to yourself or for yourself. You just get up. So it is not a reflexive example. Ich stehe 6 Uhr auf. There we go. So that was an example where it was not reflexive. All the other ones were reflexive pronouns.